Google Pixelbook Review. The best Chrome ebook to date period. We would be surprised if the Google Pixelbook didn't experience some renewed interest, considering all it can do these days. A true hybrid in every sense of the word, the Google Pixelbook brings a lot to the table, both in performance and compatibility, that the similarly priced Chrome ebook Pixel just couldn't. It's not just one of the best Chrome ebooks on the market, the Google Pixelbook is one of the best 2-in-1 laptops, period. This is thanks to its ability to offer a taste of Android, while still keeping the features and design of Chrome OS intact, something Windows 10 just can't offer. With the Pixelbook, Google has packed a ton of modern design flair into a maturing form factor, something mirrored in the Google Pixel Slate. These are all features that we can't wait to see repeated or pursued further in the Google Pixelbook 2 in whatever figure it takes. The Pixelbook Pen also greatly enhances the Pixelbook experience, even if it's not in the box, as it removes the hassle you may expect from loading Android apps on a laptop. The Google Pixelbook's ability to transform into a tablet also helps with this. Looking like a traditional Chrome ebook mixed with the Google Pixel C, the Google Pixelbook has a lot going on underneath the surface. It's backed with 7th generation Intel Core CPUs and a gorgeous 2400x1600 display. It's fantastic. And, to top it all off, the Google Pixelbook has a modest price tag that will make Apple's similarly spec'd offerings hide in shame. There are a ton of reasons to pick up the Google Pixelbook, even so long after its release. Price and availability. There's no denying it, the Google Pixelbook is absolutely an expensive Chrome ebook. Starting at $999 or £999 and capping out at $1,649 or £1,649 even without counting the $99, about $130, Pixelbook Pen, though Google is generously throwing in a pen loop for those in need of a place to store the pen. For that premium, you're also getting 7th generation Kaby Lake Intel Core i5 processors on both the entry-level 128GB option and $1,199, £1,199, about $1,555, mid-range 256GB option, each paired with 8GB of memory. However, the top-end 512GB option comes packing a Core i7 processor with 16GB of memory. All of these processor options are Intel's low-power, low-heat Y series chips, which means all of the Pixelbook models are fanless. Things are a bit different in Australia. There are only 2 configurations available. The first will set you back $1,522, coming with an Intel Core i5 CPU and a 128GB SSD. The